The White House is looking for evidence in the legal battle to unblock its travel ban, and it's expected to debut a revised version, but a recent report could make that more challenging. A leaked document from the Office of Intelligence and Analysis, which is under the Department of Homeland Security, says trying to find potential terrorists based on citizenship is, quote, unlikely to be reliable. To be clear, the 3-page report first reported by the Associated Press isn't based on official intelligence or data. The numbers were taken from public materials. A source within the DHS told CNN the report is, quote, an incomplete product and isn't the department's official position. The White House has pushed back on the report's findings, pointing to its language on what is considered a terror attack. The report only counts successful terror attacks. Those are attacks that kill at least one innocent civilian. The count doesn't include non-fatal attacks, failed attacks, or attempts to support or join a terror group. But the Trump administration has been accused of shopping around for data to defend its travel ban rather than molding policy based on available information. The administration says it has plans for a new ban set to be signed by Trump in the coming week.